Boy has it been one busy fall season so far. All the major players in the smartphone space have announced their offerings for the upcoming holiday season, including Huawei, who is banking on the Mate 10 Pro to make a splash stateside. On paper, Huawei's high-end is looking like a solid contender, but it is surely going to face stiff competition from direct rivals in this space: the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, LG V30, Google Pixel 2 XL, and Apple iPhone X, to name a few. So let's find out how the Huawei Mate 10 Pro will fit into the mix. Interface and functionality. Skipping a few software version numbers, what we get here with the Mate 10 Pro is Huawei's Emotion UI 8.0 experience running on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. Visually, MIUI 8.0 is a drastic departure from the style and aesthetics of previous iterations. Customization is available in nearly every aspect of the interface. From the customizable floating navigation dock, to leveraging the fingerprint sensor to pull down the notifications panel, there's a ton to enhance the experience to your liking. Huawei talks big about the phone's real-time on-device AI, which leverages the power of the Kirin 970 chipset to form a dedicated NPU, neural network processing unit. At first, we believed that most of this AI-driven experience would be something tangible, much like Samsung's Bixby, but they're more behind-the-scenes stuff. Essentially, this neural processing unit endows the Mate 10 Pro to possess a real-time vision engine, language understanding, effective power management, and much more. Most of the features are nothing new, like its knuckle gestures and one-handed UI, but rather, they've been enhanced to some degree. Some of the new things we appreciate with the MIUI 8.0 is private space, which creates a second user account, but can only be accessed by a specific fingerprint. Therefore, if your left index finger is associated with your main account, you can create this private account and access it with your right index finger. What's most compelling, though, has to be projection mode. Similar in premise to Samsung's DeX, wherein the phone can be tethered to a monitor display to offer a desktop-like experience. In addition, you can pair a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to complete the experience. But best of all, you don't need a special dock for those. Instead, all you need is a USB Type-C to HDMI adapter, and nothing more. Our only minor complaint about projection is that the phone needs to remain on in order for it to work, so you can't turn off the display to preserve power.